Welcome to Canva 2024 tutorials. In this video, you'll discover how to seamlessly apply the fade-in or fade-out audio effect in Canva. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Launch Canva and initiate a new project using a blank template. Step 2. Import a video onto the timeline. Ensure to adjust the video's scale to fit the screen size perfectly. Step 3. Integrate an audio track into the timeline. Simply select the audio file and drag it onto the timeline. Take a moment to review and fine-tune the audio as needed. Step 4. Click on the three dots located beneath the audio track. Opt for the audio effect option, or alternatively, find audio effects on the interface. This action will open a new window on your left. Step 5. Within the audio effects panel, customize the fade-in and fade-out values. You can either drag the slider or input the desired number of seconds for the audio to smoothly fade in and out. Once configured, your adjustments are complete. Step 6. Verify the fade-in and fade-out effects to ensure they meet your expectations. Congratulations, you've successfully applied the fade-in or fade-out effect to your audio in Canva. Feel free to experiment with this process, and if you found the tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.